This is the 90 sheath extruder we deliver to customer. This is the electrical control unit. This is the most important extruding main machine. This is the part of extruding head. For the extruding head, we adopt two types of design: adjustable head and auto-centering head. Customer can choose to use these two kinds of extruding head according to their production. For big size wire and flat wire, customers can use the adjustable head. It is this structure. For the small size cable, customers can directly use the auto-centering head to produce. This is the 90 extruding machine. Above is the feeding system. This is the cooling channel. Touch screen control. Wire storage. The equipment behind it is the wire diameter detection unit and the take-up machine. This is the electrical control cabinet. The PLC adopts the Innovance brand. The control button adopts the French Schneider brand. This is the extruding main machine. Below is the material suction unit. For the gearbox, we adopt high-end domestic brands. (45 kilowatts motor drive). For stage extrusion temperature control. This is the extruding head part. Adjustable head. Auto-centering head.